What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija and you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I do hope y'all enjoy my video. In today's video we are featuring Unice hair, and today we're featuring their V-part kinky curly wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. So we received a robe. I believe this is a robe that says Unice hair in the back, which is super cute, by the way. So we received a robe. We also received a melting strap for our wig, some eyelashes, some clips, a wig cap, and a hair scarf. Finally, this is our wig for today. It is their kinky curly V-part wig. It is 150% density. It is 100% human hair, and this is it. It came with the clips right here in the front, and in the sides you have the comb, and in the back as well we do have a comb in the back, and this is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Unice Hair, their link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link, make your purchases. Guys, this is their game changer V-part wig. No glue needed, no gel needed, self-install, quick timing, game-changing wig. And we're about to install this wig in 5 minutes. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and make your purchases. Again, this wig is from Unice Hair, and this is it. I believe this is a 22-inch. I'll definitely put it down in the description. It also has this little piece of lace, which is gonna make it look way more natural when you install it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. I have my hair braided, which is really good because I was gonna braid it for this video, but it's already braided. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So these clips, they do pop open to go underneath the hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright, so this is what our wig is looking like after I install the clips. This is it. As you can see right here in the center, it doesn't look that natural, but what I'm about to do is to use my comb and to push it to the center to give it a more natural look, because they did put a little piece of lace there to make it look natural. So I'm just bringing the hair over it. Okay, so this is what our wig is looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and refresh my curls, and then we make some baby hair, and basically that will be it. But this is it. This is what it's looking like. Again, this wig is from Unice Hair, and it is their kinky curly V-part wig. It is 150% density and 100% human hair, and this is what it's looking like so far. Again, you need no glue, no gel, nothing. You just go ahead, install your wig, and go. It is the perfect hair. You can get your hair done in 5 minutes. That's every girl's dream, okay? So make sure you go ahead and click the link in my description to make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. This is what the front is looking like. I just need to make my baby here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my curls and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished brushing in my edges. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and basically just remake my curls, get my curls the way they're supposed to be. But this is what it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead and make my curls. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make some curls. Again, today we're featuring Unice hair. This is their Kinky Curly V-part wig. To get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchases. To get any other hair from Unice hair, their website will be in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchases. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. So I just finished curling this side and look at it, it's super full. It's just as full as the dry side. Look at this, super fluffy. Curls are perfect. This is the dry side over here. Like, you could either wear it wet or dry. They both look amazing. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my curls, but this is it. I just wanted to show you guys like the difference between the wet and the dry side. And they both look amazing. You could either wear it wet or dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my curls. All right guys, so I'm finished curling my wig and this is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix the center right here. So I'm just gonna use my comb and just bring it over. This is it. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like. This is our hair. I'm gonna show you guys the back. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. Again, today we're featuring Unice hair and this is their Kinky Curly V-part wig. And this is what it's looking like. If you want to get this wig, the link will be down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other wigs from Unice hair, their website will be in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.